Welcome back to tomorrow's update. Today, we're diving into one of the most debated topics of the modern era: AI versus humans. Who will dominate the future? With artificial intelligence advancing at an incredible speed, people are beginning to wonder, will machines surpass human intelligence? Or are there limits to what AI can achieve? From deep learning models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini, to advanced humanoid robots like Tesla Optimus and Boston Dynamics Atlas, AI is proving to be faster, more efficient, and highly capable in various fields. But does that mean AI will replace humans entirely? Let's find out. AI has already outperformed humans in several areas. In tasks requiring speed, precision, and massive data processing, AI is unbeatable. It can analyze huge amounts of information in seconds, detect patterns that humans might miss, and automate repetitive tasks without fatigue. Industries like medicine, finance, and manufacturing are already using AI for diagnosis, fraud detection, and automation. Even in strategy games like chess, AI has defeated world champions, proving that machines can surpass even the most intelligent human minds in specific tasks. But the real question is, does AI have true intelligence? While AI can recognize patterns, generate content, and even hold conversations, it lacks something crucial: human creativity, emotions, and consciousness. AI can create music, art, and even stories, but it doesn't experience feelings, intuition, or original thought. Unlike humans, AI doesn't think, it predicts based on data. This is why jobs requiring empathy, leadership, and innovation are still dominated by humans. Professions like teachers, psychologists, artists, and business leaders rely on qualities that AI cannot replicate, at least not yet. So, will AI ever completely replace humans? The truth is, in many industries, AI will continue to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. Instead of humans versus AI, the future may be about humans working with AI, using machines as powerful tools to improve efficiency, creativity, and problem solving. However, as AI becomes more advanced, there are growing concerns about job displacement, ethical dilemmas, and the potential loss of human control over AI systems. Some experts fear that superintelligent AI could surpass human intelligence in ways we can't yet predict. That's why ensuring AI remains under human control is crucial. Governments, researchers, and tech companies are already working on AI safety measures to prevent potential risks and develop responsible AI systems. Instead of a battle between AI and humans, the key to the future is collaboration, not competition, where AI and humans work together to create a world that benefits everyone. So, what do you think? Will AI take over, or will humans always stay ahead? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on AI, robotics, and future technology. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.